Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Ajala Abiodun. Thank you for yesterday comment, likes, and share. Today, I would like to share the story of a businessman. His name is John. Mr. John does sell on credit most of the time. I know what credit sales means. Credit sales doesn't help business or businesses. If you have a friend that wants to patronize you based on credit, it is advisable for you to tell them to deposit for the item or stock they want to purchase. And once they complete the payments, they can claim the stock or item. I consulted for a woman some months ago. She told me the story of how friends, girlfriends used to take things on credit from her. They ruined her business. Her business ruined down. So later, her girlfriend confessed to her that they are deliberately buying on credit in order to kill her business. What a life. So please, credit sales doesn't help business. It doesn't. Rather, tell your customers to deposit for what they want to buy. This is very important so that you can account for profits. Have a great day. Bye.